Hey, adventure lovers. Ready to conquer the wild? Today we're diving into the FourTrax Rubicon 4x4, the ultimate all-terrain vehicle that can handle any terrain. Stick around to see why this beast should be your next ride. 1. Powerful engine. The Rubicon's 518 cubic centimeter engine delivers serious power. Imagine tackling a steep, rocky hill. The Rubicon roars to life, pulling you up effortlessly. That's the thrill of unstoppable power. 2. Built tough. Durability is key, and the Rubicon is built like a tank. Picture cruising through a forest, hitting hidden rocks, and this ATV just keeps going. No dents, no drama. 3. Smooth suspension. Say goodbye to bumpy rides. The independent rear suspension handles rocky paths with ease. Crossing a riverbed? It's smooth sailing, making you forget your off-road. 4. Versatile four-wheel drive. Switch from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive in seconds. Stuck in mud? Flip to four-wheel drive, and the Rubicon powers through like a champ. Perfect for all kinds of terrain. 5. User-friendly controls. With automatic DCT transmission, it's all about easy riding. No gear worries. Just focus on the trail. Imagine navigating tricky paths effortlessly, while the Rubicon handles the rest. 6. Strong towing power. Got heavy gear? No problem. The Rubicon can tow up to 1,322 pounds. Whether it's hauling firewood or pulling a trailer, this ATV's got your back. 7. Comfort for long rides. Long trails, no sweat. The ergonomic seat keeps you comfy all day. Imagine exploring backcountry trails for hours without feeling sore. Pure riding bliss. Tech-ready display. Stay informed with a digital dashboard, showing speed, fuel, and more. It's like having a mini control center while you conquer the trails. 9. Fuel efficient. Adventure longer with great fuel efficiency. Imagine riding all day without constant refuels. More miles, more fun, less cost. 10th. Rugged looks. Turn heads with the Rubicon's bold, rugged design. It's not just an ATV, it's a showstopper wherever you ride. That's the scoop on the FourTrax Rubicon 4x4. Like, subscribe, and comment your craziest ATV adventure below. Until next time, stay wild and keep those wheels turning.